Top of the morning. Today's such a beautiful day on this Wednesday, this work Wednesday. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. Actually about to do this Nissan Pathfinder right here. Just a basic in and out. Got a little dog hair, or, you know, like I say, you always got your normal debris from your sticks, your small rock, food, things of that nature. Luckily, a lot of people don't waste things in their car, so that's a good thing. She got older kids, so she no longer has kids, but like I say, the dog hair is probably the biggest thing in this car. And she got like 2 big Labradoodles, so you know, that's probably what takes the most time is that dog hair. How you doing this morning, sir?
I'm doing fine, sir.
That's good, man. How you all right?
Oh yeah, I'm doing good.
All right, man. Stay blessed, right?
Sir?
I say stay blessed, right?
Yes, sir. Stay blessed.
Stay blessed, man. Hey, Steph. You say stay stress-free. Stress-free. Yeah, like I said, the car.
Hey, you see that girl?
See that woman down there with that dog? Yeah. Like I
think she want me.
Yeah, so I say the car right here is nice and clean. I mean, not nice and clean, but it's pretty clean from what it usually look like. So right now I'm about to go ahead and start. I already did the wheels, I already prepped it. Just need to wash it. And after I wash it, you know, do the basic, get windows, tire shine the tires, things of that nature. Today, all right, could be a little bit better. Probably be looking at my phone a lot today, but yeah, but other than that, man, y'all stay good. Hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them follows, hit them shares. I appreciate you. All right, we just finished this Nissan Pathfinder right here out here in Green Hills. In and out, just a basic. Like I say, had that dog hair in and everything, but Rennie got it all nice and knocked out inside. Hopefully she'll be satisfied with it. I never had any complaints from this lady, so more than likely she will be super satisfied with the overall cleanliness of her car. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, like I say, about to head to the next stop, which is down the street. So I'll catch y'all at the next spot. Good morning. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee still. We at the second stop. We're actually doing this Volkswagen. Just in and out. It's basically detailing inside the interior. It's a little hellacious this morning. It's just tree residue. You know, everything from under the seat. You know, so this is gonna be a good task right here. See, they got marbles. I ain't seen no marbles in a minute, but that's what the car look like. Seats, everything's pretty dirty in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out because I got one more appointment at this and I got to pick up these kids. But yeah, we're doing this, like I said, we're doing a Volkswagen right now. We're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. This is what the car looks like on the outside. All right. Alright, good afternoon. We just finished this Volvo Atlas. It was interior detail, exterior wash. It's nice and clean. Definitely need this car to be waxed and things of that nature. But the inside of the car is clean. She's going to be super satisfied with everything. The seats shampooed. The carpet shampooed. Seats thoroughly clean. We're just trying to get to the next stop. Got one more car. End of the day. Kids. No, give me the kids. No,